welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in a $5 DIY challenge hosted by my friend Drea of CLUELESS MAMA D. Her co-host for this challenge is Ria of RIA'S WORLD. Each of their channels are linked down below in the description box along with a playlist for this challenge. I hope you have a chance to check out all of the other participants in this challenge. The budget for this challenge is $5, with all items or most coming from Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoy my project for this challenge along with the other participants. But before we get started, if you're brand new, be sure to click that subscribe button down below. Thanks so much for tuning in. For this project, I'm using all supplies from Dollar Tree with the exception of some paint, spray paint of any color that you choose, and E6000 glue. I have 2 over-the-door organizers, zip ties or cable ties, and I also have a sponge mop with the long handle. You can purchase any of the items that have the long handle to them, but I purchased the one that I thought would be the easiest to cut. I'll be cutting this in half. Was inspired by the channel Simple Made Pretty. I love the huge cup racks that she made for her kitchen. I was inspired to make something small for my coffee bar area. Mine is made just a bit different than hers, and it's much, much smaller. I hope you're truly inspired as I was.